piggy.
If my son asked me what I said in the commercial, I would tell him exactly what I said. That I'm absolutely happy with my education. That I did it mainly so I could take care of my wife and son. Everything I said back when I was featured on the commercial is absolutely still true today. Someone once told me that the best investment you can make is investment in yourself. And going to ITG Tech.
Say hello.
Took a chance, invested in my own education, and it absolutely paid off.
He snorts like a little piggy.
Helping people build a foundation for the rest of their lives. ITG Technical Institute. Education for the future. Call 1-800-942-0099 or visit us on the web.
Do you owe the IRS or state more than $10,000 in bad taxes? Well, you can stop stressing right now. At Blue Tax, our team of tax professionals will remove bank levies and wage garnishments fast. Stop all collection activity immediately. And negotiate a settlement on your entire tax debt. You can end up paying way less than you owe. 800-604-3136 for a free consultation. That's 800-604-3136. And remember, you're
Hello, little Aiden. Hello. Hello. Hi, buddy. Can you open your eyes? You can open your eyes, little guy. There you go. Hold on. Are we getting somewhere, buddy? Say hello. There we go. All squished up in his blankies.
Enter Joke in the box and get started with a free extended trial. And remember, you can cancel it anytime. Product shown rated E through F. There is no better deal than Gamefly. Period.
Hey. Aiden. 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 Snorting like a little piggy. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. That is not for eating. Say hello. Somebody's sleepy. Say night-night, little Aiden.